Presentation Hero Academy presents Project Your Voice, lesson number 5 of the presentation delivery module. When you're on stage, your voice is your main instrument, and the first thing you have to care about is that it reaches your audience. Pronounce everything very, very clearly. Make sure that at least you're understandable, and avoid fillers. Use silence. It is a really powerful tool. And whenever you can, hit up a recorder and listen to yourself afterwards. You will catch so many interesting mistakes and you can correct them. Another thing you can do is to invite a friendly audience. Maybe you can go at the Toastmasters group, or you can find a meetup group that is focused on presenting and public speaking. Finally, try not to lose your quirks, try not to lose your personality, try not to lose your accent, try to be yourself while you try to be the best presenter that's in you. So to summarize, your voice is like your trumpet, is your piano, it's your instrument. Care for it.